Growing tomato plants from seed is a really great way to try lots of different varieties because there's so many out there, and also germination rates tend to be quite high. So seed is usually sown somewhere between 6 and 8 weeks before the last frost date, but if you're growing them in a greenhouse, then you can sow them anywhere from January. You can sow seeds in many different ways: in seed trays, in individual modules or seed cells, biodegradable pots. Always remember to read the instructions on the packet of the variety that you've bought in case they specify a certain way to sow. One way of sowing is in individual pots. It does mean that thinning out can be a lot easier later on. Fill your pots with some good quality compost. Make sure you break down any large clumps of soil, and then tap the side of the pot or shake the pot to make sure that that soil has filled in all the gaps and is nice and firm before you sow your seeds. If you're growing lots of tomato plants, then sprinkling your seed thinly in a seed tray is a good idea. But if you only require a few plants, then sow 2 per pot, a 7.5 centimetre pot, and then cover them over with about 1.5 centimetres of compost. Keep the soil moist, but don't overwater, or that can cause a disease called damping off. Don't forget to label and date your seeds so you don't forget when you've sown them and what variety they are, and place them in a sunny position.